Welcome guys, welcome back, and to all my new subscribers, a big warm welcome to you. Thank you for your support. And today I'm going to take you back to Jamaica, and this is about I think a day or so before we left this last trip, and I'm going to take you to two different places where you can get a meal. One of course is by the sea, and it's a lovely resort actually, and I'm going to give you a few tips on how you can go there at the end of the video. And the other one is an amazing fast food place, like a box lunch place, right? So you can't miss it. It's in Montego Bay, and I'll tell you a bit more about it and even show you the storefront, a little clip on the inside, a little showing you the food that come out of there, and also one of the meals from the high-end resort as well. So two little types of ways to eat in Jamaica, and I know I will love food. I will love eating Jamaican food, no matter where it comes from, as long as I know what I'm doing. Best food in the world. So enjoy the video. I hope you enjoyed the two locations, and please, if you haven't already, subscribe, like, share with your friends, your family, and as always, leave me a comment so that we can get to know each other, because that's the best part to me about the whole thing. So enjoy the video guys. A sunny afternoon at half moon. Countdown is on for our trip. Tomorrow is the last day, and I'm having to prepare my heart for this because it's really difficult to leave. Look at this beach, guys. So beautiful. Those huts out there, you can get spa treatment. This is that lovely pool. Cooling off.
I'm not going to one day.
Salmon burger. Oh, that looks good. So this is my son's favorite breakfast spot when we're in Montego Bay, a place called Sweet Spice. I did a little quick video inside because it was quiet. Normally it is packed with people, so this is it here, and it's a tiny little place inside, and as you can see, it's out here close to Progressive Supermarket, Fontana. It's a very easily accessible place right off of Howard Cook Boulevard. But don't miss this. If you're in Montego Bay, Sweet Spice is the way to go. And it's like this morning they only have two things out there for breakfast. They have seasoned saltfish, or they have brown stew chicken, and that's what we're having. So I will film it as we're going to open the box and show you, and then I'll be off enjoying it. But don't miss this spot, guys. Promised. So here I am again, and I really hope that you enjoyed seeing those two spots, Sweet Spice is amazing. My son nearly made me go there every single day for the trip, and I wasn't really sorry, but you know, you have to go on like you vex sometime, but meanwhile you're loving the idea. And then the other place now, Half Moon Resort, I just want you guys to know that you don't have to stay there to go and eat there. You can go, if you're leaving Montego Bay and heading towards the north coast, there's 2 entrances to Half Moon. It's Half Moon Resort, right? So pass the first one and go to the further one, the one that is further east. Go into the entrance and tell the guardie that you come for lunch, and tell him you're going to Eclipse, and he will let you in. And then you have the entire resort to look at and to enjoy. You get a lovely meal. And here's the bonus tip now. If you carry a Jamaican passport or document to prove that you're a Jamaican, you get 20% off. Now, it's not low price, I must tell you. So 20% off, it depending on what you order, and if you have drinks with your meal or whatever, it can get pricey, but it's so lovely and it's worth it if you are out to treat yourselves, have a special event, or you want to just go and hang out somewhere beautiful. Highly recommend it. So again, I really hope you enjoyed the video and little tips, and please subscribe, like, share. You know the drill. Don't want to tell you so much time, but you know, you might be bucking me up for the first time, so subscribe and leave me a comment. See you in the next video. Thanks for your support, guys.